Welcome to Shooting Science. If you're here, you're stuck trying to get this base plate off of your Glock magazine. Let me show you my method on how to get this thing off quick. So this is the SLR Rifleworks base plate. What you're going to need for tools, you're going to need a 2mm Allen key. And to squeeze the sides of the magazine, you're going to need either a vise or some of these. These are the Stanley Fat Max channel locks, I guess you call them. Any sort of locking plier that's adjustable as far as the width, and a rag if you want to preserve your magazine. So the first thing you do is you're going to want to unscrew this back here. All right, those are very tiny. Don't lose those. Okay, and now it's still locked on there. It does not want to come off, right? So the Glock magazine has these little tabs right here. So when you try to move the magazine off, it's still on there pretty good. It doesn't want to come off. So this is what I do. You get a rag, I fold it a couple of times. You're going to get it like that, the base of the magazine, just so you don't claw up your magazine with these channel locks. If you have a vise, you can put your soft, grip things in there or pieces of wood. All right, so we're going to try that first. Okay. Gonna need to go a little tighter than that. All right, so I've got this adjusted. Now it's time to clamp down on the magazine there. And now we can pull this off like so. And that is how you get it off. I still kind of chewed up my magazine there though. That's okay, it should still work. Should wrap it up better next time. Let me know in the comments if that was helpful for you, and if you found another way to remove your SLR base plate off of your Glock magazines. I'd like to hear about it. Please consider liking and subscribing, and as always, I'll see you on the next one.